Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy McKeag with Henry Schein Medical. I'm a strategic account manager for 5 states here in the U.S. I was on my way actually back from Colorado yesterday and back in sunny Arizona now, which is nice. But I listened to a podcast and it's called Creating a New Healthcare, and it's by Zev Newworth. He's a executive physician out of Atrium Health on the East Coast, and I just wanted to kind of bring some light to that podcast. It is about just pretty much the evolving landscape of healthcare and where it's going. So I think he has over 100 episodes. I've listened to a variety so far. Yesterday, he stated that one of his favorites was episode 68, so I checked it out. It's about Jefferson Health in Pennsylvania, and they have their CEO on, and it is absolutely incredible what these folks are doing with telehealth and a variety of other test pilots for patients. One example was a mother was going into their cancer center, and she had a daughter in Florida and a daughter in Miami. And so the tough thing is, obviously, you're calling your mother to see what did the doctor say? What is the staff telling you about your cancer diagnosis? And the mother doesn't know. It was at 5 a.m. when they made rounds, things like that. And so what they're trying to do is do HIPAA compliant communication. So there's a kind of like a Skype communication, I guess you would say, with the daughters to be involved with all of this communication while the mother is getting her rounds taken by the physician or intern or someone like that. So just pretty incredible what they're trying to do. The CEO was saying, why haven't we been doing this? Ask the question, why? He's actually having a variety of his doctors that come in from Princeton start in more of a design school so they can work with engineers and architects and people that are making wearables out in the field. So they would be a medical doctor, but then also have their creative masters in design as well. And just absolutely incredible how many wearables that they're going to be out. And so some of these physicians are going to actually be working on design with a lot of these manufacturers. It is just incredible what they talked about and incredible what Jefferson Health is doing. I'm assuming that a lot of practices and a lot of IDNs out there are doing a lot of the same, but this healthcare evolution and revolution, I guess you would call it, is really getting affected by consumerism. He talks a lot about that. He just had one of the vice presidents of healthcare in from Lyft on his podcast. That was a really good one, talking about what they call transportation deserts and making sure that they can get patients the transportation that they need to get into these clinics and get into their facilities. Just like I said, absolutely incredible. Check it out. It's Zev Newworth from Atrium Healthcare. It's called Creating a New Healthcare. He has a variety of episodes on the podcast. I'm going to continue to talk about this. I saw him at an urgent care symposium, was absolutely blown away. Just a great speaker. And it just sounds like he's trying to work with Atrium Healthcare on strategy and making it a newer healthcare for millennials and really all ages. Just to get with consumerism and make sure that they're aware of these things. So go check it out. If you have questions, feel free to send me a message, but have a great day. Thank you.